Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and everything from this particular haul is going to be from Shein once again. So I am doing back-to-back hauls for you guys because I know how much you guys enjoy and love them. So I definitely want to bring content that you guys want to see. So here we have a pack of 3 sticker sheets, and they're all teddy bears, and I thought they were super adorable. I love anything like this. I just absolutely love it. Definitely my style. Anything like kawaii with glitter or anything like that, I absolutely love. So I had to pick these up when I saw them. This one is definitely my favorite sticker sheet. I think it's super cute. The multi-variety of different colored teddy bears and how they have like prints on them. I think that's super cute. And I didn't have anything like this in my collection, so I definitely wanted to add it. Super nice. Here I'm just showing you up close. So next we're moving on to the next item, which is one of my favorites. These are sugar-coated gummy worms or gummy bears, and I absolutely love these just because it brings a variety. They're ombre, they look such great quality, and I love the variety and the amount that it brings. It definitely brings a great amount, and I believe this was either $2 or $3, very inexpensive, and I absolutely loved it and just had to get my hands on these. Definitely will be purchasing more, but this is what they look like. I absolutely love these. Super nice. I'm just showing you what they look like up close. I wish I would have gotten a little bit more of the green one. As you guys can see, they only put one in there, but that's okay. But yeah, they look super nice, and I just love how much it comes with as well. I wish they had different sizes. Maybe they do. I just didn't come across it. But yeah, guys, like I mentioned, I started putting DIY jewelry accessories. I started putting bears. I started putting mini spoons to find those spoons. I also put like beads or just DIY and a bunch of other things that start popping up that could be used for nails as well, like these gummy worms, for example. So yeah, I'm really excited just to show you guys everything that I got in today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know down below in the comments what was your favorite item or items in today's video. So yeah, don't just put nail art on the search bar on Shein. Put DIY accessories, DIY jewelry accessories, put beads, put bears, and you guys will see the vast, immense selection of things that you guys can purchase aside from just the nail art search. So yeah, definitely check that out. And here I'm just gonna be showing you a little container full of nice charms along with some pearls and rhinestones. I honestly got this in particular for the little giraffes, and also because of the hemsa. Absolutely love that, and I love how they're iridescent. Really very beautiful and different. Never had anything like this before, so I definitely wanted to incorporate it into my collection. So now we're moving on to some dangling charms. You could use this for whatever you desire. Me personally, I will be using them as dangling charms for my nail sets. I absolutely love incorporating dangling charms. I just think it adds such a great touch to them. So here we have some cherries, super beautiful and very inexpensive. So here is what they look like up close. Absolutely love dangling charms, and I'll also have an organized with me video based off these hauls that I have posted, and yeah, you guys will definitely get an organized with me because I know a lot of people enjoy those. So yeah, thank you guys always so much for your love and support. It means the world to me, like I mentioned in my past video. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to reach 3,000 subscribers. It means the absolute world to me. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you continue to support me as well on this nail journey. Really means the world, and I'm so appreciative. So yeah guys, here we also have some other dangling charms, and I absolutely love these in particular. I think they're so beautiful, the yin and the yang. Super nice. I can't wait to incorporate that in a nail look. So yeah, you guys are definitely gonna see a lot of dangling charms just because I absolutely love them, and they have such a huge variety here on Shein. I always recommend you guys go on Shein. Absolutely amazing stuff. Very inexpensive, very affordable. Honestly, by far, probably one of my favorite websites is definitely Shein. Like, of course, my cart is already full, and it's just become a bad addiction. Honestly, every time I purchase something from Shein, like, art related, I always say, you know what, that's my last purchase. I'm not gonna buy anymore. And then somehow I just keep buying. So yeah, it's just something, I don't know, I can't help myself, honestly. So next we have some other dangling charms, and these you could also unscrew and put them on top of the nail, but I'll be using them as dangling charms. And these are just like some fruits. Like, let's say I do like a summer look or just like a fruit nail look. I think this would look really cute if I apply a little dangling charm on the pinky finger or something. So I definitely wanted to add these to my collection as well. So next here we have some more dangling charms, and these are some stars. They are so beautiful and so sparkly. I will be showing you guys up close what they look like, but these are definitely one of my favorites. Absolutely amazing and stunning, just so beautiful. I love them. They actually have a rhinestone in the middle, super shiny, and just makes this simple star look just so gorgeous. I absolutely love these. I can't wait to incorporate this in a nail look. I'm very excited. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys are into at the moment. I'm definitely into charms. I'm still into charms to this day. Like, I feel like that obsession is still not over. But let me know what you guys are into, whether it's charms, whether it's like charms, glitters, glitter sequences, whatever the case may be. These I absolutely love. These bumblebees, oh wow, they're so adorable and so tiny. I cannot wait to put these and incorporate them into a set. I just cannot wait. And here we have these big sized, I was gonna say flowers for some reason. Here we have these big sized butterflies, and I'm gonna be using these in particular for like a nail look. Like, if I ever do an extravagant butterfly nail look, I'll definitely incorporate like one of these as an accent on an accent nail. And they do bring a variety of colors, and right there I was just like popping off that top piece that you guys saw in one of the butterflies, so I just broke it off. So yeah, here is just some of the colors that it includes, and I thought this was super cute. I love the amount that it brings a huge amount, and I love how it's multicolored. You get a variety of all different types of colors, and I think it would look really pretty on a set, so that's why I decided to get these as well, and very inexpensive, so that is definitely a plus. So lastly, the last item that I'll be showing you guys is a box of foils. I absolutely love these. These are so beautiful and amazing. In my last haul, I actually showed swatches of them and if they transfer, and they actually transfer very beautifully. I definitely recommend these. Very inexpensive. They're either $2 or $2.50, and you could always add at the end at checkout discount codes and all that good stuff, so they definitely lower in price anyway. So yeah, you just can't go wrong. These are so beautiful. I love the ombre on these, so smooth and beautiful. So here I'm just gonna individually be showing you what they look like, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. It means so much to me. I love you all. I'll see you next time.